Okay. Hello.
My hair forward or back?
Either way.
Wait.
Oh.
Did I call you?
Anyway.
Okay.
We got Nando's.
Wait, I don't know.
Oh, hang up. We're busy.
Okay, we gotta go.
What shit is that? Okay, anyway. Let's do a thumbnail.
Sorry. Great.
Do a thumbnail, hold up your thing. I'll take a screenshot of this and then make it the thing.
What the fuck is a thumbnail?
Oh, we got the wrong drinks. Do like a... and we've got to hold it for a few seconds. Good. Okay, now we can eat. Hi guys, we just
Back in
ordered
business.
some Nandies and Erica's easily distracted. Oh, they packaged this nicely and they also gave me some little spicy liquid.
Shit.
Yeah, I've never seen some shit like
That's
this.
some other shit.
So we got the classic burger thingies. Added an egg and a cheese because we are some dairy queens. Oh, got Coke.
0.
No sugar.
Because I don't actually know why. I've always had Coke 0, so I'm just used to it. Okay, so last time we got this, it was really fucking juicy. I forgot no lettuce.
Oh! Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna bite it.
Wait, I knew it wasn't that easy. It wasn't that fucking easy. Actually, that wasn't easy to order.
Lettuce.
Let's go.
Hey!
What?
So they missed out the egg.
They fucking didn't. Did you order it?
Yes.
You did.
That cost me $2 whole each.
There is not an egg. And the bun feels like shit.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
done.
Alright, fuck y'all out.
Now.
This is why I eat Macca's.
Fuck this shit out.
When I try and be like, where's the other? What? Oh. Okay.
I don't know.
You had both of our chips. I'm actually so upset. This is not even the same bun.
Wait,
Oh.
I suppose that's chicken.
I'm eating her lettuce by chunkfuls.
That's actually disgusting.
I love it.
No, this. The burger.
No, that's just wrong.
Can I just go to Ruby's,
Bitch.
please? And then she had to Uber me because
But
she's not. And then the Uber went to her house instead of picking me up, and I was like, is everyone just...
so I had to cancel it. The fucker charged me $4 for the... You just... I just rubbed your finger on lettuce. You just like this on the lettuce. Wait. Hold up, lettuce lady. Yeah. I mean, what am I kidding? It's actually shit.
Wait, open it. That's not even right. Oh, it was nice chicken though. Oh,
That's what I'm
the
trying to
cheese
say.
was quite delicious.
To be fair, it was hot when it came. But that was an hour ago.
I got a lettuce.
Oh, let's do Would You Rather.
Okay.
Those are good.
Yeah. Would you rather? Okay. So
I recommend turning it upside down. So you have this big bun at the top.
What? No, I just put it down like that.
I mean the big small one at the bottom. The big one at the bottom.
Oh, why?
What's going on over there?
I'm trying. Okay. Would you rather have a golden voice or a silver tongue?
What?
Wait, would you rather date someone you love or date someone who loves you? That's actually quite a good question.
Well,
wait, what was the question? Would you rather date someone you love or date someone who loves you? So you love them but they don't love you, or they love you and you don't love them?
probably them. Well, like them love me. But then why would you go with someone you don't like?
Exactly, but then why would you
want to be with someone who doesn't like you?
Yeah, but then that's what people do anyways.
Yeah, but I'd rather know. I would say who loves me.
Okay.
I'm just saying I wouldn't do that if I didn't like them. Would you rather have a dog with a cat's personality or a cat with a dog's personality?
Wait. Maybe a cat with a dog personality.
Imagine a dog fucking climbing on the fence.
It's like...
May I just add these for $20?
Okay, would you rather have free Wi-Fi wherever you go or have free coffee whenever you want? Wi-Fi.
Coffee.
Ugh. There's nothing I hate more in this world than coffee.
Oh, there's nothing I hate more than this world and Wi-Fi. Would you rather have no one show up to your wedding or your funeral?
Funeral.
Because like you're dead. Fuck.
Okay, never have I ever bragged about something I have never done. I have not done.
Oh yeah. I always exaggerate, yeah.
Probably.
Never have I driven drunk.
No.
No.
Never have I ever spied on my neighbours.
I always...
Potentially.
What? Never have I ever stalked an ex-boyfriend or girlfriend on social media. Bitch, who the fuck do you think I am?
This bitch, oh god.
I'll find out. Hit me up.
2 down.
Okay, 2 on.
Never have I ever said I love you without feeling it.
I probably did when I was 12, but not recently. Some weird shit when I was 12.
Potentially.
Never have I
don't know.
ever been kicked out of a bar.
Into Impala. Oh, we go into the bathroom. Oh, like the manager.
Come into the bathroom.
Come into the bathroom. I need to go into it. Goes into her handbag, pulls out the cracker, pulls out a balloon. The manager's in the bathroom, just like nowhere. Puts some music on, plays music off her phone. Just like cracking. It's like wait, it's like. And like, she unlocks the door and she's like, you girls have to get out. Oh, no.
We got kicked the fuck out. So I got one up.
Never have I ever had a one-night stand.
Okay. Never have I ever lied to my parents about being hungover. Oh no, I have.
I was like,
I have.
I was like, no, I'm fine. Never have I ever screwed up at school.
Yes. I always screwed up at school. Never have I ever fought in the street. I haven't, but I'm ready.
Never have I ever been in handcuffs.
I did it after a party.
What party?
After volunteering.
Yeah.
I was like, fuck the police.
I was hiding up the stairs, like.
And they were like, what the f did she just say? And I was like, ah, come on. And the lady was like, get the f on the ground. I was like,
I would have cried.
she had her head, like her foot on my head, and I was like, never have I ever taken a part in a talent show.
Never. Never. Never have I ever done something I regret.
Haven't we all?
Yep.
Haven't we all?
Apparently that's it.
No, I'll pick another one up here.
Oh.
Never have I ever refused a kiss. Of course. Get off. That means I won.
You lost?
Yeah, I took the L. But that wasn't.
Wait, how did you lose?
How did anything happen?
I won. Woo.
Good. Good idea. Good one.
How do you actually do that?
Please don't.
Wait, no, I've actually got to do this. I've never been able to do this.
Don't hold it like that.
I've never been able to do this in my life. You make me nervous.
That was cool.
What the fuck?
Oh no.
I've got it. It's like, no. Serious. Ow! I got to it.
Chip.
Oh,
Chip
chippy.
lady.
It's chippy everywhere.
Eat it up this way?
You said don't eat it that way.
No, I meant eat it that way. Yeah.
Sorry.
She's single. Okay, I'm getting wheezy. Wheezy.
The chicken's overcooked.
Shittest, at least.
The buns
That's
are
not
about
wrong.
a week old. The tomatoes are fucking see-through, which I don't think is a good. Is that bad?
ASMR.
Oh.
Stale bread. So what's your rate that's out of 10?
I think I dribbled. 3.
Oh, fuck. I rate it a lazy. I'm gonna say 2.5. Shit. Oh, the best thing was
The Coke was the best thing.
by golly.
By golly, Nando's!
By golly, Nando's. Oh. Yeah.
That's fine.
Carry on.
Oh.
Yeah, you gonna include it? Maybe. Stale, bun, overcooked, rough chicken. So yeah, overall that was the shittest thing I've ever eaten.
I actually wanted a nice feed, but
And I was really looking
it
forward to that
didn't
egg.
happen, and I wanted the egg too, but you know what? Clearly you can't always have what you want in life. So
Yeah, like that wise man once said, girls, you can't have everything you want in life. Erica, we can't keep living like this. This is Erica's like 4th phone or whatever. 4th iPhone.
Yeah.
And that concludes our Mookie. Bye guys, thanks for watching our video. Stay tuned for more.
Peace
Like,
out,
comment,
bitches.
subscribe. This is peace out from me and E-Dog. Nando's, we're never buying your shit again.